Well, after years of research, experts are saying a vaccine for cancer is possible. They say the treatment could reach patients within the next 5 years or so.
Channel 8's Matthew Mittleiter spoke to an oncologist in Omaha for more.
A new cancer vaccine could be used to shrink tumors and stop cancer from coming back. Experts say cancer cells will often hide from our body's immune systems, and these vaccines give the immune system a way to find the cells and target them. Dr. Gonti, a medical oncologist with Nebraska Medicine, said the vaccines will only work on someone who has already been diagnosed.
Cancer vaccines are used for patients who already have cancer. They don't prevent cancer. They prevent cancer from coming back.
The vaccines use mRNA to teach the immune system to target cancer cells. mRNA is a protein that controls what other proteins are made in our body. Gonti says when a patient has surgery for their cancer, the tumor is taken out. Researchers will then analyze the tumor's mutations in a lab to determine what proteins it has and then develop the mRNA.
The principle is that if we can train our body's immune system to target any cell that has those particular proteins, they would be able to prevent those cells from growing.
This means that every vaccine is custom made to each person's body and their cancer cells. Gonti says this research has been going on for 10 to 15 years now and even helped to create the COVID-19 vaccines. He says so far there aren't any major side effects, and compared to chemotherapy, these are minimal. The experimental drugs are still being tested on various cancers, but Gonti says there have been some good results so far when it comes to melanoma, a deadly type of skin cancer.
Patients who got this vaccine in combination with immunotherapy did much better in terms of the cancer not coming back compared to those patients who got the immunotherapy by itself.
He says the biggest roadblock researchers are facing is developing the vaccines quicker. Right now, it takes about 9 weeks after the tumor is removed before a vaccine is ready. Companies such as Moderna are currently working on the vaccines and are going to be conducting more studies. And Gonti says the more patients who are tested in clinical trials, the better. He says if the results prove to be successful over longer periods of time, the vaccine could be a promising pathway to a cure.
I would not be surprised if this is the only treatment for cancer in the future.
Reporting in Omaha, Matthew Mittleiter, Channel 8 News.